Welcome to Let's Talk Meshing's Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature in just a couple of minutes. In this week's video, we want to look at the Examine Last command in the Examine menu. I have opened the familiar intake port tutorial file. I will select the block and navigate to the Examine menu. If I pull all the way down to the bottom, you will see the Examine Last command. However, it's grayed out right now because I have not used Examine in this current session of Pointwise. But for example, let's look at maximum included angle. It opens the diagnostic calculated for this block. I can look at the min and max values on the color bar for this particular diagnostic, possibly make some cuts. When I'm finished, click Close to exit Examine. My block is still selected. Maybe I go and do some work on the domains, possibly run the solver to improve the block's quality if necessary. If I navigate back to the Examine menu now, I can see Examine Last is now available. I could click on this button and it would immediately take me back into the Examine command with the previously used diagnostic function. However, much more useful, and the intent really of this command in the menu, is the keyboard shortcut that's associated with it. Control-Shift-X. With the block selected, I can simply click on these keys on the keyboard, Control-Shift-X, and Pointwise immediately brings Examine back up for me with that previously used diagnostic function. It's a very nice feature to quickly get you back into Examine with your last used diagnostic. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.